Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing how I made these cards, and what I ended up doing was using them. They can be used as like, nice little cards to package your items, or I take my little thing that I punch holes in to attach it to my product and put it, in one of these spaces right here, or this space right here, like punch it through with the little gun, uh, you know, for your clothing and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm gonna share how I made this. Well, one similar to this, because this one was already done before I started video, and I was like, well, you know what? Let me just go ahead and throw another one up there. But it's basically the same technique. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, as you can see, I use these to put on this order. But anyway, I went inside Canva and I pretty much opened a document. I want to say it was between either 500 pixels by 500 or either 600 by 600 pixels. So this image that I'm putting in here is something that I already removed the back, and I think I used like a free program to do that. And I just select the font, and I pretty much put the name of the business, which is Beautiful Bonnet Babes, and that's going to be my title, of course, at the top once I actually spell it right. But yeah, I just click on it to decrease the font, because by decreasing the font, of course, I'm going to be able to fit the entire title across the top. And once I do that, I just center it. Now this other subsetting I have, I'm going to put the same name again, but this time I'm going to use a different font, and I'm going to make that one smaller as well. But this one, I'm going to go into Elements, and I'm going to type in the social media one that I want to use. So I decided to just use YouTube for this video and show how you can just place it over there. I decided to use it in black and white. Now, if you have a pro account, you can change the colors of the icons. But this one, like I said, I'm just going to do it in black for the purposes of this video. Now I'm going to make a QR code. You click on the QR code on the left-hand side, and you type in the actual website, and it pretty much just generate one for you. So now what I'm going to do is just set the QR code at the bottom and kind of reformat everything else. So again, this isn't just like the other one, but this is similar to how I put that one together. And I decided to go ahead and add the actual website also, and I'm going to make that smaller, and that's going to be close to the QR code as well. And what I decided to do was save this one as a JPEG and download it. And when I downloaded it, I put it into my Word document. I changed the margins to 0, and I was able to put like 12 of them in here at the same time. I printed it out on regular cardstock paper, and then I went and got a laminating sheet, and I placed that in there, and I ran it through my laminator on the 5mm setting, and I pretty much cut it, and that was it. So yeah, then of course I had to cut them out, but either way, it worked, because I really did not feel like going to buy any labels, and I was just like, okay, I'm going to use what I have. So I hope this was helpful. And yeah, I'm just readjusting everything I just finished doing. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys next time. And as you can see, this is the paper that I was showing, where I had laminated. And these laminating sheets I got at BJ's, and actually 100 came in there, and they were really, really, a good price. So yeah. And again, these can be used as regular business cards, or they can be used, for whatever it is you want to use.